you get locked in because you can't go anywhere, right? It's very, very hard to move off. And so these customers feel locked in, right? They feel trapped in a lot of ways. And that's why when you have a subscription deal, it's important to try to get provisions and things that carry on at your renewal date. But just to kind of, before we go much further, it's also really important to think about, and we'll talk about this in a little bit, this idea of lock-in. Even though the McDermotts of the world want to get up at the Knowledge Conference and talk about software as a service is going to be dead soon, and it's all going to be about agentic AI, that's all well and good, but software as a service isn't going anywhere, not for a long time. And so that, coupled with the fact that as you move to AI offerings, I would argue that this lock-in concept elevates. If you are going to take the time, the commitment to the dollars to put yourself out there to make these types of investments in AI, put your literal business on the line, it's going to be even harder, because what are you going to do? You're going to put all these dollars in, all these commitments. It's going to have change management issues. You do this with AI. You've put your ducks in that pond. Executive level, C-suite level, there's a reliance on this solution. Microsoft Copilot, Agentforce has different pricing models, which some content's going to come out soon about. Now Assist, so forth and so on. It's going to be incredibly difficult to now go back up to the board, back up to the C-suite and say, hey, you know what? We made that decision to start using AI. Maybe we got rid of some employees, or maybe we've done some things. But by the way, now we want to switch vendors. It is not, that is career suicide, and that's not going to happen. So the point here is this concept of vendor lock-in, locked to a solution, locked to a provider. Now more than ever, it's an older concept, but now more than ever becomes that much more important.